we went to the Assembly Center. I think sometime about May of 1942 that we went to the Assembly Center. So I had to stop my junior year. So it was pretty well completed. Maybe I had a couple months left for my schooling of my junior year at Salinas. We had a very good Caucasian friend. Their their last name was Vieira. I think that's Portuguese. I think, yeah, Vieira. They're very, knew that family very well. These people were friends of my grandparents too. So they were longtime friends, so they knew each other, they knew the family, so they were very, very good to us, yeah. So we left all our belongings that we couldn't take with us. We left it with him, and he had a big barn, so our automobiles and our furniture that we had, he let us store it in his barn. Well, the other thing, we didn't have too many valuable possessions, so to speak. So there wasn't too much that we had to leave there, but we were very fortunate to have a good friend to look after our things. So when we came back from camp, then we went back to the barn and reclaimed all our belongings there, and it's still in pretty good shape, yeah. And as far as going to the assembly center, my neighbor, he had a trailer, so we put our luggage in the trailer, and he took us to the Salinas Assembly Center. It was newly constructed barracks, a temporary barracks at there. So when we walked into the rooms there, they just had the bare room there, and with a cot bed with a mattress. And that was about it, because we took all our own blankets and sheets and pillows that we were allowed to take, and plus our clothing that we were going to wear. That was about the only things that we were allowed to take. Though we did take a few kitchenware, I remember. Yeah, take some pots to cook in, and I think maybe we were allowed to take those metal iron stoves, electric stoves, I think. My mother, once in a while in the evening, she would prepare something on the side for us, and I thought that was the greatest food. Oh, I could still taste it. But there was no school in the assembly center, because I think it was about May and June that we stayed there. So I missed a little bit of my junior year, where we stayed there for about 2 months until we were finally moved to Poston.